beautiful people, so I'm back with another video. But in this video, I want to talk about how you guys can get $10,000 in credit cards without them actually pulling your credit. And then too, guess what? Even if you have bad credit, you can get approved for these credit cards. Now keep this in mind too. This is called the shopping cart trick. And remember, when I show you guys the little trick, or if I tell you guys about the different credit cards, go to my other videos. I'm going to make sure I link them below, and just go through my channel. You'll be able to see all the different credit card tricks. So say if I tell you guys about the first one, which is a Visa credit card, which is right behind me too. I tell you guys about this credit card. All you have to do is go and watch this video, and they'll show you how to get approved. So this client too, they're not really a client, but this viewer right here, they said this worked for them perfect. Thanks. So go ahead, try these different tricks, and if it worked for you, whatever video you watch, make sure you put down in the description if it worked for you. And if you have any questions, definitely let me know. So the first credit card that I want to tell you guys about is the Visa credit card. Now, Visa credit cards are good, right? Visa credit cards is not like a store card, like say with the next one I'm going to tell you guys about. I have actually the list here. But when I tell you guys about the Victoria's Secrets, you only can use that at Victoria's Secrets. This is a Visa credit card. So say if you wanted to go to any store, you want to spend at Walmart, you want to spend at Target, you want to go to McDonald's, you want to go to Wendy's, wherever you want to go, you can use this credit card. So that's the best thing about this credit card. So any of these credit cards I tell you guys about, this is what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to go to the three dots at the top right here. So go ahead and press these three dots at the top. I want you guys to allow pop-ups. So go ahead and allow pop-ups. Do not block the pop-ups, and make sure that you guys clear your cookies. Now, when you go ahead and do these tricks, what you're going to do is you're going to go to each of these websites. So after you do that, I want you guys to make sure everything is clear. The whole trick is you go onto the website, you're going to put about $200 to $250 in your cart. You're going to act like you're going to check out. They're going to already have your information in their system, and they're going to go ahead and give you a pop-up that's similar to the one right here. So if you see here, they say, congratulations, you've been pre-approved for the Good Sam Rewards Visa credit card. Now, this is the thing, too. You have to opt into a service. So go ahead and look down in the description, look up the Factor Trust link. Go ahead and click that. Put all your information in. It's going to be your personal information, your name, your address, your date of birth, your social. You're going to put that in. I believe it's TransUnion that owns that. TransUnion or Experian actually owns that company there. So what they're going to do is they're going to send your information to all the credit card companies, because all you're doing is basically telling them, hey, I'm in the market for credit. Tell all the credit card companies that I want credit. And when you go to these sites, all the information that you put in there, these credit card companies already know, like, you want credit. So as soon as they see that you put your address in and your date of birth, well, not your date of birth, they put your address in, you put your phone number in, they're like, oh, wow, Rickita, you're here. Listen, we can pre-approve you right now and see that you're in the market for credit. So that's all that pop-up is going to be. So with all these companies, let me go down the list of it. So you got the Visa. So it's the Good Sam Visa. You'll go to the Camping World website. Go ahead and put $200 to $250 in a cart. Make sure you check out as a guest. So the key is you want to make sure you're checking out as a guest. And if you need personal help, like you need to see all the different links, make sure you guys go to the video that I have and go ahead and watch the video all the way through. And then you'll be able to see, oh, wow, that's what she's talking about. But go ahead and put the items in a cart, check out as a guest, start putting your information in. As soon as you put that address in, and sometimes you go to like the shipping page, that's when you get that pop-up. That's when it actually pops up and say, hey, you're pre-approved for the credit card. So another credit card that actually does this is the Victoria's Secrets. I kind of already told you guys that earlier, but the Victoria's Secrets actually approve you too. Now remember too, I said about $10,000, but I believe the Visa will give you about $5,000 by itself. Now Victoria's Secrets will give you $2,000 or go get you, $1,500. That's adding on, that's $6,500 already. So with the Victoria's Secret credit card, it's the same thing. Go ahead, go to their website. Make sure you're doing all this in incognito mode too. So click the three dots at the top. Make sure you use an incognito window. So go ahead and put the $200 in your cart and check out as a guest. And after you go ahead and put your information in, and you'll be able to see, because I actually do the actual walkthrough showing you the pop-up popping up for me. But after you put that information in, you're going to get the pop-up saying, hey, you're pre-approved for a Victoria's Secret credit card. And you have to go ahead and pick which Victoria's Secret credit card you actually want. So go ahead, check that video out, you guys. And don't forget to go ahead and just scroll through my channel. You'll be able to see all the videos that I have about the shopping cart trick. So another credit card you guys can get on my list, my little handy dandy list, is the Express credit card. Now, I haven't talked about Express in a while because I don't think a lot of people shop at Express. But if you do shop at Express, then this is perfect for you because you can get approved for $1,000 or $1,500 in credit. So it's the same thing. All you have to do is make sure you go to the Express website. And remember, when you go to all these websites, you should automatically get a pop-up. Not the pop-up saying you pre-approved, but a pop-up saying join their email list. As soon as you get that pop-up, you know that you know everything is working good. If you're not getting that pop-up, you need to make sure that your pop-up blocker is not on. You want to make sure you're getting them pop-ups. You know, you want all the pop-ups to come up. So when you go to the Express website, make sure you put about $200 to $250 in your cart, and it can be the same item to you guys. Like when I do it, you'll see me do it when you go to the video. You'll see I'll pick an item that's going to add up to what I need to add up between the $200 to $250, and I add that to the cart. I don't go and pick all these different items. I go straight in and find the items that's $200, $250, and then I put it in the cart. Now, when you go ahead and put it in the cart, you're going to do the same thing as check out as a guest. Now, when you check out as a guest, that's like the key to it. Don't try to check out regular. Go ahead and check out as a guest. Start typing your information in. After you put your name in, you put your address in, which is going to be your regular billing. They're going to ask for your email address and your phone number. After you put all this information in, you're going to go ahead and to the payment screen or to verify your shipping. After you do that, that's when you're going to get that pop-up again, you guys. And then they're going to let you know, hey, you're pre-approved. They're going to give you some type of offer. Like you can see this offer right here. They say, hey, you're going to get $10 in instant reward. So they want to give you these credit cards, you guys. Like they want to give it to you, and they're not going to pull your credit. What they're going to ask for is the last 4 digits of your social security number. You're not going to have to put your full social in there, you guys. So go ahead, try the Express, and then let me know, too, if that actually worked out for you. So the other credit card that I want to talk to you guys about, which is credit card number 4, is Express. Well, not Express, Overstock. I'm sorry, you guys. It's Overstock. So Overstock is an actual credit card where you guys can go to overstock.com where they have a lot of different items in there, especially for like your home and stuff like that. So you go on there, you do the same thing as if you did for the other credit cards. You go on there, you put $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. And when you put these items in your cart, you want to make sure you check out as a guest. Now, when you check out as a guest, you're going to get that same pop-up, you guys. Like, it's literally that simple. Like, you can do these same companies back to back to back to back to back. I have a lot of people that do that. They go ahead and do it back to back to back to back to back. They go ahead and work on getting these different credit cards. They do it in the same day. So remember, sometimes too, some people say, well, I got the Victoria's Secrets, I got the Visa, but I couldn't get the Overstock. You know, maybe you're not able to get every credit card. You know, but the point that you're able to get a credit card or 2 or 3 of them, that's really good. And if you guys have my master credit card list, on that master credit card list, it's over 60 different shopping cart trick credit cards on there, where these are the same companies with Community Bank that actually approve you for these credit cards. So I want you guys to look down the description, get the master credit card list so you can get all of the credit cards, because maybe you're only able to do 3 out of the 5 I'm telling you about, but maybe you can just go to the shopping cart trick and you can find, 5 or 6 more. And remember, they're not actually pulling your credit. But if you guys have a lot of inquiries in your credit report, I also have my inquiry removal down in the description. Work on getting those inquiries removed. My inquiries were removed in 4 hours. I have clients that was in 3 hours, 5 hours, 7 hours. Go ahead and work on those inquiries. There's no point for those inquiries to be sitting on your credit. And I have the video for that to you guys, so definitely check that out. But for the Victoria's Secrets, for the Overstock, for the Express, and for the Visa, it's the same exact thing, you guys. Like, it's literally the same exact thing. Go ahead, put $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. When you put in your cart, check out as a guest. Start putting that information in, that same information that you put on your Factor Trust application. Put that information in. As soon as you put that information in, boom, that's when you're going to get that pop-up. Now, the last credit card that I want to tell you guys about is the Venus credit card. Now, these are, girl items. I realize, too, looking, I have more men that watch me than women. Like, what? And I'm catered toward the women. It's crazy. But I have more men that watch me than women actually watch me. So, maybe you want to get something for your lady. Maybe you want to get something for your woman. So this can be something really good with the Venus credit card. Or if you don't want to get something for your lady, and if you're one of my clients and I told you I want you to have 4 credit cards and this is just one that you're able to get approved for, then great. Let it sit there. Don't spend more than 5% on that credit card and you'll be good. So with the Venus, you want to do the same thing. And it's going to be nice if you're a man going through seeing the little woman in the lingerie. So go ahead and put the $200 to the $250 worth of items in your cart. When you put the items in your cart, check out as a guest. As you're checking out as a guest, you're going to get that pop-up. Now, when you get that pop-up, it's going to be like, whew, it's going to be like heaven, right? So they're going to give you that promotion right away. All the credit cards, they love to give you some type of promotion right away. But keep this in mind, too. If you don't want to actually use these credit cards, you don't have to. I'm not telling you to use these credit cards. It's good to actually let credit sit on you. It's good to actually let the credit cards sit on your credit and not use them. So if you have that option, don't go ahead and use those credit cards. Just let them sit there, you guys. Like literally, let them sit there and don't worry about them. But remember, if you're able to get proof of these credit cards, make sure the video that helped you, make sure you leave a comment and you like that video. And then let me know too. Were you able to get approved for it? If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Get my master credit card list below, because maybe you're only able to do 3 out of 5 of these, but it's more credit cards, over 60 of them that you can use on that master credit card list, where you can actually just work on just get those if you couldn't get any more. And let me know if you guys have any questions. You can call or text me at 833 Rickita.